It is not a big lengthy programming like CBVs, FBVs like that. Middleware means just whenever end user forwarded one request. Up to now, based on our knowledge, we think that this request will be directly goes to the views and I'm getting the response. That is only we know up to now based on our knowledge. Because in every view, it will return some response. That response we are getting it. But between me and this view, there is some concept is there. That concept is nothing but middleware concept. And first, my request will be goes to the middleware. If any pre-processing will be there, it will do and will send it to the views. The response I am receiving from the views and I do post-processing of request, I will send it to the end user. That is only process. So here, first one, after that second action, next time receiving this, I am post-processing, I am sending here. From middleware won't do anything. If anything is required being a programmer, suppose my application currently not available, it is under maintenance. View does not tell those things. I have to write a simple program. Babu, presently we are under maintenance. You have to wait 2-3 hours time. Then I don't want send this one to the here. Here itself I can forward to the end user. That type of simple messages. If any technical issues are there, then middleware can be intimated to the end user. That concept is called as our middleware concept. Yesterday, execution flow we discussed. How the execution flow is going on there. Just a basic execution flow, middleware one. Here, this simple only, just I created one view. I created one views. Inside view, welcome view is there. This line added by the view and URLs I can create it. SD created a file, middleware.py file. Here two mandatory methods are there. One is init. Second one is call. Sir, init method will be executed only once when our server should be started. When our server started, object created to your class. When our object created, automatically, which is calling constructor, that is we discussed. So init method is executed there. After that, whenever I'm given request to the views, what is URL? Hello. Whenever I'm getting request, first it will goes to the middleware. It is calling this method directly. Then pre-processing of request will be done. This request will be sent to the view. View will be printed. That's why I'm printing just casual message console. This line added by view and view will send response. After that, post-processing coming to end user. You have to go to the command prompt. Right click, run as administrator next. Sir, go to the D drive. Now go to the this one. Next. My project is middleware project. Py manage.py run server. Check it. Sir, whenever server should be started, which method executed directly? Init method executed, not executed. As I am telling, 1 minute. So now, whenever server is started, first the flow. Whenever server is started, init method executed there. Fine. You no need to call. Now, open the browser, take the server address. I am sending a request. What is the URL? Hello. Once I send the request, first, it will goes to not directly use middleware. Which method it is calling? Call method. So what is happening first? Pre-processing of the request. Then it will send request. After that, view, I'm given a response. What I'm given now? This line added by view function. After that, post processing. Now you can check it. Once I click on enter, custom middleware demo. Go to console, you check the flow here. First, which will executed there? Init method. Because whenever server started this one, first goes to where? It's not directly view middleware. This is a view response. Post processing. Sending to the request. That is the process happened there. How middleware communication flow, yesterday we had a discussion. Now, my concept is, I want to display a middleware application to show some information middleware application to show under maintenance. అంటే whenever sending request to the server, my application is not available. It is under maintenance. You have to wait 2 to 3 hours. After that, you have to log into application like that. I want to send the message. This message not at all related to your view. Who will send this one now? Middleware is the responsible to send this type of messages. So first you have to go to this, stop the server. Now, Django start, Django -admin start project, middleware project into so now cd middleware project to now py manage.py start app test app project created, app created. Come to here. Now, next we have to add application in settings.py. Go to here, close this, close middleware to inside open settings. Here, add test app. Sir, after that, what is required? Main, you have to go to A simple view you can create. View. What is the view? Anything you can give. Def home underscore page underscore view. Inside I am getting one request. Now we have to return. HTTP kavali ante first you need to go to from Django Drala Django dot HTTP import HTTP response. Now HTTP response inside single quotes. First H1 tag. Close the H1 tag. Inside you have to give hello. This response is from view function response. Completed? Yes. Simple. Go to the URLs. From test app, import views. Now URL. Views dot home page view. What I'm given hello. Oh, start the server. Copy the URL. Paste it. Now check it. Hello, Miss Enda. Hello. Yes. Hello. This response is from the view function response. Sir, here any middleware concept is there? No. Now my view is directly responding to here. Here a simple concept is there. I created a view, created URL. I'm given request sending. But where middleware is working means here middleware is working. I'm not given slash. Whenever click on enter, slash came, not came. Yes, that is the built-in. Previously I'm telling that is which one it is working. Common middleware working. Now, what I'm telling is my view is not at all responding. I have to give some response. Babu, presently application is not available. And I don't want to send this response to end user. Application is under maintenance. But who will give that one? Middleware is the responsible. So as I'm telling how to create middleware. Right click on ఇది going test app మీద. Go to files sir. Middleware dot py. Inside two methods are there, mandatory methods. First one is underscore init constructor, because whenever server started automatically object created, whenever object created constructor executed. First step. Second one, every request one method should be calling, that is underscore call. That is the one magic method. Class app maintenance middleware. Sir, what is the parent for this? Yes, I am telling every class should be parent to the object. Sir, first method compulsory. This is only the way to declare constructor in the Python. Underscore init underscore only way to declare a constructor in the Python. First variable should be self, which is pointing to the current class object. Second one, my variable get response I can provided there. Now I can initialize self dot get underscore response. This is my variable. For future purpose, I stored the current value because tomorrow multi-level middlewares are there. Suppose multi-level is there. First time getting request, I'm sending to second one, third one, fourth one. Multi-level middlewares also possible. Future reference purpose, I am storing into variable. If you don't want, remove this, make it as a pass. Pass means it won't do anything. Without plus, syntax error. One, one block is not declared empty. Either you can give word or else you can give pass. Both are valid only. But if future purpose you can require, I can store it into variable self dot get underscore response. It is executed runtime. Second one. Sir, what is the second method? Def underscore underscore call underscore underscore. Inside first variable self. Second one I'm getting request. Sir, now here I want to return some response. Response kavali ante import where from Django. Sorry, Django kada. Django dot http import http response. Because I want to return a HTTP response to the end user. Return HTTP response inside single quotes. I want to provide that H1 tag. Whatever response you want, you can send it. Whatever response, Babu, currently application under maintenance. Please try after 2 days. That is, so depends upon my requirement given. Currently, my application under maintenance. Please try after 2 days. Middleware is over. Now, what will happen? First request will be goes to the middleware. From here, it will goes to the views. Something we are sending request. Then, previously, what is the message available? This message available there. Instead of this, which message it is sending? Middleware message. Currently, application and maintenance. Please try after 2 days. Now check it. Server is ready. Now, if I click this, what is the message we are getting? 2 days. Now check it. I am refreshing. Yeah, am I getting response from middleware or views? Views only. The reason is we are not configured middleware. Where we have to configure? Go to the settings, sir. Yes, here what to do? Where it is available? Test, yeah. Dot middleware. Dot మన అప్లికేషన్ నేమ్ ఏంటి? యాప్ మెయింటెనెన్స్ మిడిల్వేర్ కదా. That now I configured it. Check it. Server restarted. Now deployment server. Now we have to send the request. This message will stop and it will send the middleware response. Currently application under maintenance. Please try after 2 days. I'm not getting any response from the view sync. Always middleware will use the response. That's why middleware concept is required. So here lengthy programs, more concept is not there. As I am the developer, some my application problem is there. I want to send it to the message customer. Create a middleware class. Whatever message you want to send, that message you have to forward. So views.py. This is the code. After that, urls.py. Only these things only. URLs. Next, middleware.py. ఇందులో the class enough. Am I doing any new things? Nothing. How we are? మళ్ళీ settings ఎందుకు? So it's a very simple concept only, middleware. That is the different story. Page not found error. Those are all the completely different. Those are RESTful services. 404. Every HTTP కి కొన్ని స్టేటస్ కోడ్స్ ఆర్ దేర్. 404, 403, 402. అవన్నీ జావా డాక్యుమెంటేషన్ లో ఇట్ విల్ బి దేర్. అలాంటి ఓపెన్ చేస్తే అలాగ వచ్చింది. ఓపెన్ చేయకూడదు. అప్పుడు 404 ఎర్రలు వస్తాయి అప్పుడు. సార్ సమ్ టైమ్స్ సార్ ఇన్ మై వ్యూ something just now someone is asking 404 like that. Some technical issue is there. Technical issue mean, see, the problem is observe. Sir, if I am commenting it, is it executed middleware? లేదు కదా. Now check it carefully. Now this response came from where? View only. But in the view something goes wrong by mistakenly. Technically problem will be that developer did something mistake. He did as a mistake print 10/0. What will happen? మరి ఏం రావాలి అప్పుడు ఎండ్ యూజర్ కి? if I'm running it, what expected, what you are expecting, అదే వస్తుందా? ఏమొస్తుంది? ప్రింట్ అవుద్దా? మరి పేజ్లో ఏమొస్తుంది ఎండ్ యూజర్ కి? చెక్ ఇట్ నౌ కేర్ఫుల్లీ. మరి end user not able to understand this one. You have to give meaningful message to that one. How to handle this? ట్రై యాక్సెప్ట్ చేస్తే ఏమైంది? కన్సోల్ హ్యాండిల్ అవుద్ది, ఇక్కడ అవ్వదు కదా. ఇక్కడ డిస్ప్లే రాదు కదా నీకు. అవుద్దా? అది కావాలి నాకు. ఇన్ ద HTML పేజ్ యూ వాంట్ టు, ఇప్పుడు నువ్వు ట్రై యాక్సెప్ట్ హ్యాండిల్ చేస్తే ఏమవుద్ది తెలుసా? దట్ కెన్ బి ఎఫెక్టెడ్ హియర్. Here it is affected in the console, not affected to HTML file. HTML file అవ్వాలంటే కంపల్సరీ హావ్ టు సెండ్ HTTP response only. మరి HTTP లో we are not possible to write complete try and accept blocks. So now, do you know at the time of exception handling, generally who are attending my advanced Python, they know. Sir, in this statement, what is left part? What is the right side part? Left side is a, yes, class name. Right side the message provided by that class. అంటే message information something. Left one is class name, predefined class name, right side message. ఇప్పుడు I want to send this message to the console, not console, end user. So now observe. Now my concept is, that is the concept. Whenever, if any technical issue will be there, how to handle that one? Exception messages, okay? Check it carefully. Sir, ikkada settings uncommented. Now, yes. Now check it. Currently application maintenance after the previous project. Chodo. Now next. I have implemented one middleware application to show meaningful response if view function raises any error. This is my concept. Okay. How can I handle that one? Check it. Okay, done. First of all, take normal story only. Here, so normal in the program means we have to write normal program. Try block. After that, accept block. Next class name, error, yes, MSG, I can provide it there. After that, something I want to write print statement. This message we can print it. But in case of in the middleware, how to send the messages? There is a method is there. Process underscore exception. Inside first argument is self. Next I am getting request. Next I can pass this exception information. Self is current class object reference. I am getting one request. For that I will give response. That response is nothing but what it is exception. How in regular classes as MS you are writing same thing. This exception we are forwarding to the end user. In the middleware, we can define a method which will be executed if view function raises an error. That method is, this is the method, process underscore exception. Self request, that exception you have to provide. Now come to here, stop the server, dot. Yes. Now, Django -admin start project. Middleware project 3. Py manage.py start app test app. Done. Come to here, close. Third one, settings.py installed apps, test app completed. Next, what to do? Views.py. Yes, what we have to do? Create one view, def home underscore page underscore view. Inside, I am getting request from Django dot http import http completed. Now return render kaduga http response inside single quotes h1 tag /h1. This from view function. Present no errors. Go to URLs. From test app, import views. Take the URL. Views dot give hello. Start the server. Server started. This is the URL. Now run it. Hello. This is view function. Up to here, fine. So next what to do? You have to provide some mistake here. Print 10/0. Once I'm sending request, no middleware concept, you are getting 0 division error at hello division by 0. Now, what we have to do is right click on test app, a new file, middleware.py. Sir, inside what is the class? Any name your wish. Error message middleware. Sorry. What it is? Parent object always. Now, that what is called from Django HTTP import HTTP response. Sir, what is the first method? Def underscore init inside self, comma, a variable get underscore response. Now, self dot get underscore ఉంది కదా, response equal to get underscore response. What is the second method? Underscore call underscore self dot comma what I'm getting paste here. I have to go with response. What it is? Self dot get underscore response. I'm sending. Simple. I have to return a response. This code already we know, but whenever exception raised, it is looking for one method. What is that method? This is the method process underscore exception method. Now, how to declare method? Def process underscore exception. Inside first one, self, sir. Next argument, request. Third one, exception. Completed. Now, you have to return. What I have to return? HTTP response. Inside single quotes. H1 tag you have to open. Close the. Inside you can give the message. Currently, we are facing some technical problems. So, please try after some time. Now check it. Now, what to do? Last step, settings. Inside test app dot middleware dot error message middleware. Yes sir, no. Now check it. Previously I'm getting 0 division error. Now refresh it. Currently we are facing some technical problems. Please try after some time. Simple. Any project, if any problem is there, then middleware come into picture, handle it. That purpose only middleware. Yes. Sir, but my requirement is, actually, what is the problem? That problem you have to display. 0 division error. A problem you can display. How to display that message? ఇది నా మెసేజ్ కదా, నేను ఇక్కడ వాట్ ఎవర్ ఐఎమ్ రిటర్న్ దట్ విల్ బి డిస్ప్లేడ్. ఇక్కడ హాయ్ అంటే హాయ్ విల్ బి డిస్ప్లేడ్, బాయ్ అంటే బాయ్ విల్ బి డిస్ప్లేడ్. కానీ నాకు కావాల్సిన సిస్టమ్ ప్రొవైడెడ్ క్లాస్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద సిస్టమ్ క్లాస్? 0 division error the class name. What is the message? Division by 0, that message. Normally we know try except block. Simple as message, print that message, it will be printed. But in HTML, how to send that response? Yeah, if view everything goes fine, then middleware won't come into the picture, Nani. If something goes wrong in view, then middleware can handle that situation. Not handle, give some response to the end user. What I was doing is దీన్ని మొత్తాన్ని commentate. Now I have to return what I want to return, HTTP response only inside. Do you know F strings? F string, formatted strings. How F string is coming into the picture? Just like replacement. In our latest features, I'm telling three. One is percentage formatted strings. Second one is str.format. Third one is this is the latest thing after 3.8 onwards. F strings are very simple and easy to replacement when compared with the previous one also. Okay. Now, yeah. Now, by using this F string, I want to provide it. Sir, HTML response ante compulsory anchor tags are required. Without this, it won't do anything. H1. Okay. Now we have to tell currently same. We are facing some technical problems. Break means BR tag. It is coming to the next line. The raised exception is, what is the raised exception? Where it is available? Here it is available there. Sir, how to replace that one? Curling braces or not? That value. What it is? An exception. But that class name I required. What is the class name? Zero division is the class name. How I am getting it? Dot underscore class. After that, underscore dot underscore name. Anywhere have you listened this one? Underscore name variable. File name. Not file name. Sometimes it is contain main. Sometimes it is contain which module we are running, that module name. File name is underscore file. File is the different, name is the different. Sir, now it will be displayed my name. Okay, curling braces close. Again, take a break. BR tag. And the exception message. What is the exception message? Again, replacement. What you have to print? Exception. Enough. So first time telling, Babu, currently we are facing some technical issue. The next line, raised exception. This is the exception. Class name. Ante left part I am asking. This one, class name. Tarvata message, division by 0. Now, this is the message we are given. I'm commenting it. Now refresh it. Currently, we are facing some technical problems. The raised exception, 0 division error. The exception message, division by 0 came. Problem can be understandable by end user. Sir, the story. Atla exception messages also you have to send views urls.py. Next, middleware.py. In a simple project, that is how to provide it while any exceptions came, how to display. What Sai Baba? So first execution flow, next under maintenance, exception message. Suppose if multiple middlewares are there, Multiple middlewares means, for example, if you want to go to meet a CM, there are different security checkings are there or not. First main gate, first security is there. Next, once you go to enter inside, one more security. Third person, do you have real appointment or not? Is it original person or not? Like that again. So multiple level checkings will be there. Same like that. For example, one end user providing a request. Okay, Sai Baba send a request. First it will goes to middleware 1. Next it will goes to middleware 2. Finally it will goes to the views. Now what happened? First action, second one, third one. Now observe here. This one, middleware 1. Tarvata, this is middleware 2. Finally it is coming to where? Views, not CM. Views. So now, first response I am getting it. This is 1. This is the 2. This is the 3. First response will be received by who is receiving? Middleware 2. 2 is getting response. From the response, it will be sent to next level. Final response will be sent to Sai Baba. So, here 2-3 middlewares I can configure. So first what will happen? The flow request will be sent. First pre-processing will be done by middleware 1. Next pre-processing will be done by middleware 2. I am sending to the views. I am receiving the request. Whatever response they are given goes to the post-processing of middleware 2 first. Tarvata post-processing of middleware 1. Final request will be reached to Adi. Multiple middlewares are available there sometimes in the applications. At that time, how to provide that check-ins? Ikkada? After multiple methods, then there is no chance of calling that method. No, that is the reason. For example, compulsory, we have to write middleware.py files and we have to configure, then it is activated, it will give response. Otherwise, previous question response will be displayed. Base exception can handle anything. As damn given architecture, base exception can handle. Here not only exception, previously under maintenance is exception. That is the different. Exception is the different. Tomorrow, baby, some another problem will come. Then if multiple middlewares are there, how flow is, that is empty. Based on requirement, asking in my application, everything perfect. And there is no middleware concept. Yes or no? Khatam. So, depends upon requirement. Maybe interview room they are asking, or real time. If some issue came, how to handle, this is the solution are there. Is it compulsory required or not required? Depends upon situation. Yes. Configuration of such one. Suppose it is not required, then if I am not telling this one, tomorrow definitely you can go to interview, they will ask same question only. If multiple middlewares are there, then what is the flow? Amma Mahesh are not telling. Immediately. Tomorrow you can come, sir. You are telling middleware. If multiple middlewares are there, how to configure? Then you are asking. If I am telling, sir, what is the use of this one? Like that you are asking. Configuration of multiple middleware classes. Ante, whenever problem is there, you have to take middleware, you can send. Not required in settings, you can comment. then your function directly executed, no middleware. Other reason. But simple example చెప్తున్నా కదా, something problem is there. My site under maintenance. నేనే చెప్పాలి ఎవరికన్నా. Suppose my students are using my application site. If something goes wrong, student నన్ను పద్దాక అడగకుండా ఏం చేస్తాను నేను? I can simple message. Our application meant 2 days you have to wait. Then student can understand. Otherwise, they are clicking username, password, login. It is not login. Every time they can make a call. Sir, application not working. If I give a message, they can understand. Tomorrow my application is ready. Simple go to middleware, comment the setting. Then directly application came. That is the purpose. Sir, now, whenever you have to provide middleware, which middleware is working based on your settings only. Now, stop the server. In the middleware, last one, this is django-admin start project. Middleware project for cd middleware project for. Now py manage.py start app test app. Come to here, close this. Middleware for open settings. Here install labs test app. No, sir, here completely go to views.py. Simple, not doing anything. Copy paste. Remove that. ఇది కూడా remove. HTTP response. This is from view function. Done. Simple thing. Just I'm telling flow. URLs from test app import views. Now take the path. Views dot home page view completed. Start the server. pvmanage.py run server. Copy this. Come to browser. Paste it. Hello. So this is from view came. So now what I was doing is, observe carefully. What is the middleware code? Then this is the code. Same code. Copy. Create test app. Right click. New file. Middleware dot py. Paste it. Now observe here carefully. Response I will change, not under maintenance, remove. Sir, this is not maintenance middleware. I want to go what it is. First middleware, check it carefully. Init is okay. Next, I want to print just general message. I want to print. This line printed by which one? Middleware 1 before pre-processing a request. I am not sending anything. Response equal to self dot get underscore response with the request. Next, first pre-processing will be done. Next, this line printed by middleware 1 when after processing the request. This is the first middleware. Okay. Views lo just you have to check it. Understandable message you can print. This line printed by view function. Now we have to tell the flow. Whenever I am given in settings, go to settings, middleware, test app dot middleware dot first middleware. Only one is there. Please tell the flow. First constructor started okay. After that, first it will goes to the middleware. This line printed by middleware before processing. After that, what is the view response? This line printed by view function. Next middleware will give this. This is the up to and check in the console. Sir, indentation error and in the view here. Yes. Now check it, server started. Now give the request. None type object attribute get URLs. Even the URL correct hai kada? Middleware lo problem undi. Def underscore call self request self dot get underscore response. I'm not returning the response. Now come to here. Server is restarted. Now this view from okay console you can check it. First what it is, this line printed by middleware 1. Next it will go view. Next it will came processing. Only one middleware is there. Okay, fine. Now what I was doing is come to the here. You can take another one. What it is? Class second middleware inside object. This total story should be same. No. Two middlewares are there. So ikkada you have to change. This is from 2. This is from 2. Now what will happen first? Process will goes to the first middleware, then to middleware 2, then view, again back. This second middleware you can add into 2 here. Test app dot middleware dot second middleware. Now previous output you have to check. Okay, now output once I'm sending request, you can check the output differences. Process you can check this one, how it is going on there based on my diagram. First which is executed? Middleware 1. Next it will goes to middleware 2. Next to view function response. First it will come to second. After that 1. Next finally end user. This is the way how to getting multiple. Sir, for example, here I am given first this one, then second one. Is it changes any output or same? Same only or not? No. You request, then you will get clarity. As I am given request, you can check previous and now. First which is executed, check the output. 2 came or not? Because first in settings which you are given, the request will goes to that middleware. 2. 2 నుంచి 1. View. మళ్ళీ first one, second one, end user. So అక్కడ ఇచ్చిన డైరెక్షన్ బట్టి ఆర్డర్ will be changes. In multiple inheritance, 2 classes you are given to single class. Then first which class you are inherit, that method executed. Here also same. In settings, which middle order came? Previous one, middleware 1, 2. Now 2 first executed, then 1 executed there. Based on that order, it definitely changes. That is middleware ka story. If we can configure any number of middlewares, and all these middlewares will be executed according to order declared inside settings.py. Based on that order, it is executing. This is the views.py. Next, this is the middleware. In settings.py, try this. First give first middleware. Next you can use second middleware. Check it. After that, again settings.py. You can give first to second first, then you will get clarity. This story middleware concept is done. Next, models concept. Finally, deployment. Then Django completed. REST API functionalities. అందుకనే చెప్పలా నేను, అవసరం లేదంటున్నాడు కదా సుబ్బారెడ్డి. Sir, see, yesterday I explained something program for you, alphabets. ఏబి అయిపోయింది కదా. Yesterday program is gone. This is the program I'm given. Def print start something 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 a b something ch I'm given. This code already yesterday explained. Print star or space. I'm given first column value none. I'm passing value. If it column equal to none, aithe space. Kakapote star. Which column you can print? Loop will be running 5 times. If I is available in column, will be printed there. I'm taken a function for letter A function. Print row. Which columns I can require for A symbol? You can check the symbol A. Yes, unikada. First row lo 0th row, which columns are there? 1, 2, 3. Same thing I provide 1, 2, 3. Print row, second row lo, which columns are required? 0, 4. 0, 4. Next like that, okay? This explanation yesterday completed, I am given this. Now through command prompt, I am running the program. Stop the server. CLS. Test.py. Sir, I'm asking symbol A. Okay. A, B, I'm asking. Observe. I'm asking A printed. I'm asking B printed. If I'm asking A and B, what will happen? Printed. Ekkada printed? Leda. Udduga. Sorry. Observe carefully. Small changes are required. If I declared B, B came. Sir, if I'm given A and B, yesterday discussed, if choice equal to call A, B, then it is printed vertically, A, B, C, D, like that printed. No. My requirement is, I want to print A, immediately I want to print B, I want to print C. Then what will happen means, so do you know at the time of printers, in olden days are still now, if you go to SBI bank, inkjet printers are there. It is printing like this, it is printed there. If your name is there, it is not printed M, A, H, not printed. First M letter starting M, A lo first row, second row, third row, ila print avutuntadi addanga eppudu. Inkjet printers. Same like that here also observe. ABC I want to print means, first ela print avali naku ABC. A lo first lo oka star unte oka star. B lo 3 unte 3 stars ante here first 1 star. Next B lo how many are there? 3. Assume. Okay, 3 are there. Next C lo how many are there? Maybe 3 only anukondi. 3. Ila print avali. Next lo A shape ravalante second row lo 2 stars ravali. Okay. B lo 1 star untadi. Next C lo 1 star ravali. Ilaga shape we have to print it row by row horizontally. For that purpose, what I was doing small change, observe. Identi print row kada. This one I can make it as A of 0. Ante 0th row how many stars I can require? Each line horizontal display now I am telling. Now def of A of 1. Each one is one function. Now check it. Def, what I want to do? A of 2. Now def A of 3. Def A of 3 ikkada kada 3. Now def which row idi? 4th row. ఒక్కొక్కటి ఒక్కొక్క ఫంక్షన్ ఐఎమ్ డిక్లేరింగ్. def A of 5. Next finally def A of. Sir, clear here everyone? A of 0 means first row. A of 1 means second, third, 4, 5, 6, 7 rows printed there. Same like that, you have to take def B of 0. This B of 1. Next, B of 2. B of 3. B of 4. B of 5. B of function ready. Sir, now I want to display some number, A, B, na something number I want to enter some word, not a letter, any word. Enter any word to display horizontally. For example, assume I want to display Mahesh, I want to display. Yes. If you want to display Mahesh, first row, which function can I call? M of 0 I can call. Space. Next to A of 0. Then A of 0, how many rows that will come? Next to H of 0. Next E of 0. S of 0. Next H of 0 function. Then first row will be printed or not? Each letter first row printed. Done. Come to second row. M of 1. Next A of 1. H of 1. This style I can record. Yes or no? That is row by row. M row, how many are there? All will be printed there. A row, H row. Mari, what to do here function? Please tell. It is not character, it is a word. Sir, that columns row, how many rows? 7 rows compulsory. Check it. For I in range of 7 compulsory. Whatever values here, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 time running. First time, what is the value of I? Next, 1, 2, 3, 4. For each character in word. Word lo em ichanu nenu Mahesh ichanu. Ante first CH, what is the first CH? M. Next CH A. Like that it is coming. Okay. SD I am telling a function. What is the function? EXEC, execute function. Inside, what I want to do? CH. What it is coming? M came. CH entity? M kada. Only M came, not 0. M came. I want to concatenation with str of I. What is the I value? 0. Ante M plus concatenation with 0. Ante M 0 came. Next, which symbol is required? Function symbol. How to get function symbol? Yesterday I am telling. Now check this. What is happening here? CH first time M. Okay, take M. STR of I. First time I will entandi 0. Ante M of 0. Concatenation with this symbol. This loop will be repeated how many times? 7 times. Ante second CH. What is the value? A will be taken. A I will entandi 0. So like that M0, A0, H0. Next loop. Once go to the next one, first row completed. Go to the print. Now you have to check horizontal display will come. Enter. Line number 30. Yakada 30 lo antunnadu vaadu. Dev bejur ante starting lo ekkada mistake chesam manam. Yes. Line number 30. Yes. Remove this. Inka ledu. Only each row I can make this function. Now save. Correct. Now enter any word A, B, A, B, A. ఎందుకంటే 2 లెటర్లు ఎందుకంటే అయ్యే వాడుతున్నా నేను. ఇఫ్ ఐఎమ్ గివెన్ ఆల్ లెటర్స్ యూ కెన్ గివ్ ఎనీ నేమ్. ఇదిగోండి. నో ద ప్రాబ్లమ్ ఈస్ ఇక్కడ yesterday every time I'm using print. Now check it. First A, yes. A, B, yes. A, B, A, B, A, B. Printed, not printed. ఇప్పుడు మహేష్ కావాలంటే all letters you can take. A already is there. Next ఏం కావాలి? M, H. ఓకేనా? Now check it carefully. Horizontal display. Sir, how A, B, C I am taken copy, paste it. M kada? M ki ekkada replacements you can check it first of all. A, B, C, D. M. ఫస్ట్ రోల్ ఎక్కడ సార్? 0, 4. చేంజ్ ఇట్. ఇదిగోండి 0, 4 మార్చండి. నెక్స్ట్ సార్ ఇదేంటిది? M కదా? ఇదిగోండి టేక్ దిస్ M0, M1. M1 లో చెక్ చేసుకోండి. 0, 1, 3, 4. 0, 1, 3, 4. M1. M2 లో 0, 2, 4, 2, 4. M2, M3, M4, M5, M6. సార్ 3 ఉండాలి. 04, 04 అన్ని 04 లేనే కదా? జీరో ఫోర్ M, A రెడీ. ఇంకోటి H. అసలు యాక్చువల్గా అయితే all the 26 letters you have to take. ఇప్పుడు ఓన్లీ మహేశ్వరస్ నేమ్ అని ఆల్ తీసుకొని ఎనీ నేమ్. H0, H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. సరే H లో అంతేనా? ఎక్కడెక్కడ? 04 ఇచ్చేసింది మీకు ప్రోగ్రామింగ్. 04 ఎక్కడ కూడా? థర్డ్ లో 1, 2, 3, 4. ఇంకా 04 అంతే కదా? MAH E కావాలి. E చెప్పండి ఇప్పుడు. 1, 2, 3, 4. ఓకే. తర్వాత ఓన్లీ 0నే కదా ఈకి? సారీ. నెక్స్ట్ 2 కూడా ఓన్లీ 0నే. 3కి 1, 2, 3, 4. నెక్స్ట్ 0. నెక్స్ట్ 0 సార్. నెక్స్ట్ ఆల్ 1, 2, 3, 4. MAHE రెడీ. ఇంకా S కావాలి. ఎస్ చెప్పండి. ఎస్ అంటే IS కాదు. ఫస్ట్ లో చూపిస్తాను, ఎందుకు వచ్చిన గొడవ. బ్రెయిన్ లో ప్రింట్ అయిపోయిందా? ఫస్ట్ 1 2 3, నెక్స్ట్ 0 4, తర్వాత ఓన్లీ 0నా? అవును, సెకండ్ లో 0 0 4 రాసామా మనం? సరే సరే చెప్పండి ఏంటిది. 1 2 3 తీసేస్తున్నా. నెక్స్ట్ ఓన్లీ 4, నెక్స్ట్ 0 4, నెక్స్ట్ 1 2 3. ఎందుకు బట్టి సరే ఏంటి అన్ని? మీకన్నా నాకన్నా బాగా గుర్తున్నాయి. నౌ ఉండే కరెక్టే. హెచ్ఈ ఆ ఈకి ఎస్కి మధ్యలో కొంచెం స్పేస్ లేకపోవటం వల్ల వచ్చేసింది. ఇప్పుడు ఇది స్పేస్ ఇచ్చాం అనుకో, మొత్తానికి వచ్చింది మోసం. అది ఒక లెటర్ తర్వాత స్పేస్ రావాలి మనకి, అది చూడాలి. ఇదిగో ఇప్పుడు ఎలా అవుతుందంటే, ఫస్ట్ రో ప్రింట్ అయింది కదా, హారిజాంటల్ డిస్ప్లేది రాదు. వర్టికల్ డిస్ప్లే అయితే లెటర్ జరుగుతుంది. నువ్వు స్పేస్ ఏమో తెలుసా, ఎమ్ ఇక్కడ 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 ఈ స్పేసెస్ పెరుగుతాయి నీకు. ఇది హారిజాంటల్ డిస్ప్లే అవుతుంది నీకు. ఎక్కడుంది మంది టెస్ట్ లో? పర్లు ప్రకటించేస్తా అసలు నువ్వు ఇక్కడ. ఇది హారిజాంటల్ డిస్ప్లే సార్. చెప్తాను, అది ప్రింట్ చేస్తే ఏమవుతుందంటే, ఆగు అసలు లేదా చెప్తాను. కిందకి జరిగింది అది. సరే ముందు ఒకటి వచ్చింది కదా, దాని స్పేస్ ఏదో ఒకటి చేద్దాం దాన్ని. సరే ఇప్పుడు నెక్స్ట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు రైట్ ఆల్. సూపర్ స్టార్ అంటే ఇప్పుడు యూ పి అన్ని ఆల్ఫాబెట్. సార్ ఫస్ట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు రైట్ అన్ని ఆల్ఫాబెట్స్. యూ కెన్ టేక్ A to Z, ABCD, all you can take. Then you can try, anything will come, any word. ఎలాగా రాదు? ట్రై వస్తే ట్రై చేయి. ఎన్ని లైన్స్ కోడ్ వచ్చింది? అంతే కదా, వస్తే జాబ్ వస్తుంది. అప్పుడు మ్యాచ్ కేసు ఎందుకు వెళ్తున్నాను మాట్లాడితే? మ్యాచ్ కేసు అంటావు, అప్పుడు ఎన్ని రాయాలి నేను? వెయిట్ ఎన్ని రాయాలి అప్పుడు నేను? నీకు హారిజాంటల్ డిస్ప్లే రాదు మ్యాచ్ కేసు పెడితే. నువ్వేం చేస్తున్నావు అంటే, అప్పుడు డెఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎస్టర్డే ప్రోగ్రామ్ కదా, డెఫ్ ఏబిసి, అప్పుడు మ్యాచ్ కేసు ఏబిసి ఇలా ప్రింట్ అవుతాయి నీకు. ఇలా హారిజాంటల్ లో రాదు నీకు. అప్పుడు నేను ఇలా పెట్టాను. ఎన్ని మ్యాచ్ కేసులు పెడతావు? యూ కెన్ టెల్. ఒక్కొక్క దానికి 7, ఇవన్నీ ఒక్కొక్క ఈచ్ వన్ ఈజ్ ఏ ఫంక్షన్ ఆర్ నాట్? మరి అప్పుడు ఎన్ని ఫంక్షన్స్ ఎన్ని మ్యాచ్ కేసులు పెడతాం మనం? యూ కెన్ టెల్. అదే నీకు ఈచ్ ఫంక్షన్ ఒక మ్యాచ్ కేసు, అవునా? ఇక్కడ ఒక్క లెటర్కే I have 7 functions are there, 26 letters. 26 into 7 functions. ఈచ్ ఫంక్షన్ మ్యాచ్ కేసు రావాలిగా, అవ్వదు అప్పుడు. అది వస్తుంది కానీ చాలా పెద్ద ప్రోగ్రామ్ అవుతుంది. ఇక్కడ ఇక్కడ సింపుల్ గా 3 లైన్లు తగ్గొట్టేసే ప్రోగ్రామ్ నేను. సార్ ఇది మొత్తం వన్స్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు ట్రై ఆల్ యూ కెన్ టేక్ ఏబిసిడి టోటల్. దాన్ని హౌ టు సింప్లిఫైడ్ ఐ విల్ షో అగైన్. మరి ఇప్పుడు హౌ మెనీ లైన్స్ ఆఫ్ కోడ్ ఇస్ దేర్? 109. రిమైనింగ్ ఆల్ లెటర్స్ రాస్తే ఇట్స్ నియర్లీ 480 490 లైన్స్ ఆఫ్ కోడ్ ఇస్ దేర్. దాన్ని హాఫ్ సింప్లిఫై చేస్తాను. హౌ టు సింప్లిఫై? సార్ బికాస్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ ఇంటర్వ్యూ మే ఆర్ మే నాట్ ఆస్కింగ్, జస్ట్ ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ స్కిల్స్ విల్ బి ఇంప్రూవ్డ్. మీకు ఇప్ టు నౌ డూ యూ నో దిస్ వన్ EXEC ఫంక్షన్ తెలుసా? తెలీదు. నౌ హౌ వీ గో టు దిస్ వన్ కంకాటినేషన్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్, అవునా? సో మేబీ నెక్స్ట్ లెవెల్ ఇఫ్ ఎనీ ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఈస్ దేర్ is chance of using this logics. దానికోసం ఐఎమ్ టెల్లింగ్ ఆల్ దిస్ స్టోరీ. Django 100 patterns. Save this.
Recording stopped.
ఏం చేస్తారు వెళ్ళి? ఏమండి సికి చెప్పండి ఒకటి, అయినంత వరకు చేస్తాను నేను ఓపిక్గా. సి ల్యాబ్లో online students, tomorrow we will continue. I will take all the alphabets. Tomorrow I will simplify the code. You can carry on.